Hey everyone, welcome to the new video on our channel Indian Couple on Trip. Today is 12th March and we are at Holmenkollen Ski Festival 2023. Tickets for this were around 300 NOK for an adult and 100 NOK for barn. In this video, you will see some key highlights and moments of the event. Holmenkollen Ski Festival is an organizing company that annually organizes the World Cup in Nordic disciplines, Skifest and RAW AIR both, in the Holmenkollen National Facility in Oslo.
From Germany, Katarina Alto. Og lengden da 120 meter, 120 meters. Ingvild Synnøve Midtskogen 31 i dagens konkurranse. Så kommer vi tilbake her med mer skihopping og mer spenning og mer dramatikk om en halvtimes tid.
Representing Norway, Norge, Anna Odina Strøm! Og annenplass on second place, representing Austria, Østerrike, Kiara Kreutzer! Førsteplass og dagens vinner. First place and today's winner from Slovenia.
Den stigningen vi ønsker her da, også. Og se et jagerfly, altså, hva ligger der. Veldig at det er kraft for det lengste opp. Ikke minst andre ringen da, som vi også har med her i finaleomgangen. Ja, det blir en spennende andre omgang. Vi kan vel forvente oss en rymser av en andre omgang, skulle jeg tro her i Holmenkollen.
Ja, ikke så lenge til vi skal sette i gang den heller. Vi skal starte klokka 17. 36, 5:36, we're going to start the final round. 5:36, we will start the final round of this competition here in Holmenkollen.
The Holmenkollen Ski Festival is one of the best known and largest cultural sports organizers in Norway. The event also have a high status internationally. The company builds on a proud tradition that stretches back to the first show jumping in Holmenkollen in 1892. At the same time, the events are continuously developed to meet today's expectations. With this, we end our video here. It was a great event. If you liked our video, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.